The DJI Mini 5 Pro is creating a buzz in the drone community with its anticipated features and improvements that are expected to be September 2024. Welcome to Tech Day TV. First, let's talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Subscribe for more videos. This compact drone aims to build on the success of its predecessors while introducing significant upgrades. One of the most exciting rumored features is the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant improvement over the 1.3-inch sensor in previous models. This upgrade could significantly increase dynamic range and reduce noise, especially in low light. In addition, 4K video recording at 60 FPS is likely to be included, in line with current industry standards for compact drones. Internal storage for drones is another area of potential. While the Mini 4 Pro offered 2 GB of internal storage, many users are hoping to see at least 8 GB in the Mini 5 Pro. This increase would provide more flexibility for pilots to capture footage, without relying solely on external flight time remains a critical factor for drone enthusiasts. Despite the Smart Battery Plus in the Mini 4 Pro's significant improvements in flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to provide at least 40 minutes of flight time per charge, giving pilots more freedom to explore and capture footage without frequent battery pricing. For the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be similar to its predecessor, ranging from $750 to $800. For the base model, this pricing strategy would position the drone competitively in the mid-range market while offering advanced features. While some rumors about the Mini 5 Pro may seem exaggerated or unrealistic for a mid-range segment drone, the expected improvements in sensor size, dynamic range, storage capacity, and flight time could make it for professional use. These upgrades have the potential to set anew in the compact drone industry. DJI's rapid release of new models suggests a strategy to maintain market dominance and meet evolving consumer. The Mini 5 Pro represents an opportunity for DJI to not only meet but expectations set by previous models as the drone industry continues to evolve. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could play a significant role in shaping the future of compact, high-performance drones, and its release is eagerly anticipated by both hobbyists and professionals looking for a powerful yet portable drone solution. Check the description for more information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.